Morning children, as we are continuing the chapter addition and subtraction. Now in this chapter today I will teach you word problems based on subtraction. So one word problem is already written for you. I am reading for you. A toy seller had 634 balls. He sold 419 balls. How many balls are left with him? So here, how to find that? Okay, here too it's easy for you that ma'am has written subtraction. So you will do subtraction. But problem comes when both the things are given, addition and subtraction both, then maybe you do wrong. So please beta, always first you read and find out what are the things given. Find out the required information and then only you start solving. Don't go that subtraction written, so I can do only the subtraction. So how to find that whether the given sum is of subtraction or not. So if in the subtraction sum written how many are left, how many more, how many less, find the difference, these type of things are given, then you have to do the subtraction. So let us see what is any phrase like that what I told you now as is given here. Again reading, a toy seller had 634 balls. Who had? A toy seller. How many balls? Number given 634. Then he sold 419 balls. What that toy seller did? Sold. How many balls? 419 balls. Then how many balls are left? Yes, I got here. How many balls are left? So this shows that you have to do the subtraction. So now I got what I have to do. Then it's very easy for me to write the subtraction that statements. So first statement we will take from here. Who had balls? Toy seller. How many balls? 634. So write here. Number of balls or toy seller. Toy seller had, that is 634. Then number of balls he, I am using he pronouns in place of that toy seller. Here is 419. Always write, means see the number and write. Some of the children what they are doing, they are writing in place of 419, 491. Then after doing everything correctly, then also teacher is not giving the marks. So please beta, when you are copying the number or the statement, please write down correctly. Then in the subtraction that word problem, we are not using that total, because here that is not total. Something we are giving to somebody or means rotten or means we have to find out. So please don't use total. What to do? Simply you write. Therefore, number of balls are left. Then 634 minus 419. I have to draw first one box here. 634 and 419. Subtraction sign. 4 minus 9 not possible. Who will help? The tens place will help. Tens place has 3 tens. So 1 10 given here to 1's place. So here 1 4 14. And now how many left? 2. So here 2. So 2 I am making circle. Then 14 minus 9 count on a finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5. So 14 minus 9 is 5. Now 2. 2 tens minus 1 10. Easily we can subtract 1. Now here 6 minus 4. That also possible. So 6 minus 4 is 2. 215. So here came 215. We have to write the final statement. Answer. What is asking? How many balls are left in them? So you write here 215 balls are left with him or 12 still. One more I will solve it for you. So second question is, Mohan has rupees 700. He bought shoes for rupees 425. How much money is left with him? So here beta, money is given, rupees. So for rupees, we are not using the number. Why? Because that means money has some values, like we are not counting that I have 700 pieces of, then only I have 700 rupees. Maybe I have one 500 note and one 200 rupees note. Maybe I have 100 rupees 7 notes, but number is less, but the value is more, 700. So always for money, you write there that money or amount. But don't write the number. Some of the children, they are writing number of rupees. That is wrong. What to write? Amount. I am writing amount. Amount Mohan has. How much? Rupees sign. Then 700. Then he bought shoes. What he bought? Shoes. And the price of shoes is rupees 425. So he spent from this money some of the amount to buy the shoes. So you write here money spent on shoes by Mohan, or you are in standard 2, so leave it. Money spent on shoes is equal to rupees 425. Then what to do? How much money is left? So again I got money is left asking. So whenever this got, then what to do? Subtraction. So you write here, therefore money left with Mohan or with him is equal to rupees 700 minus rupees 425. First we will do the rough work and then we will write the answer. Here is 700 and then minus sign 425. This is 425. Subtract. 0 minus 5 not possible. The next place also 0. 1's place also 0. 10's place also 0. And only the 100 place the number is there 700. So 700, 100 place is helping. 100 given to the 10's place and 10's place is giving 110 to the 1's place. So here is 9 tens. Here is 10 ones. I am keeping the number in the circle and here is only left 600. So now 10 minus 5 that is 5. 9 minus 2 that is 7 and 6 minus 4 that is 2. 275. So I am writing here 275, but then also one thing is missing now. We have to write the final statement. Answer. Asking how much money is left with him. So, rupees 275 is left with Mohan. Is left with Mohan. So I hope children you have understood the word problem based on subtraction. So you will practice at home in your rough copy. Some of the questions you will copy down from your book and practice in the rough copy. Thank you children.